Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Infinix Smart. This is the model. It's kind of way of tricky to make a hard reset. I will show you how to do that. This operation can be helpful if you doesn't remember the password to your phone or just the software doesn't work properly. So first of all, we have to press and hold volume up and power button together. Volume up and power button. Keep holding both the key, release, power button still holding volume up, and keep waiting until the phone gonna be wake up. This is the first operation we have to do that, and it failed, and it's okay. It's a part of the procedure that is phone will enter the inside the phone. So after that, you have to turn off, and when the phone is permanently turned off, now we have to press and hold volume down and power button. But firstly, you have to press power button, next press the volume down. So it's gonna be like that. Power button, volume down. Keep holding both the key. Release power button, still holding volume down. And this is the all procedure. Release all the key. I spent 15 minutes to recognize what's going on with the phone, but I got it. That's the way to make the hard reset. So now volume down to wipe data factory reset, accept by power, volume down factory data reset. And that's the way it is. Now reboot system now, and the phone will wake up with the new brand firmware without any password and passcode on the phone. So the only way to think is if you have the Google account, you're gonna have to log in by the Google. And that's it. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, or leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.